Good morning, myself Apurva Jyoti. Today we are going to learn about the rest of the lesson. He also coordinates various uh, he also coordinates various community activities of the village, including festivals. Like we have learnt about village headman Patla and all, right. So not only giving the judgment, taking the evidences and all, he also contribute giving his contribution, or he also helps the people to organize the things even in the festival, what work should be done by whom, how they have to arrange the festivals. If any village had guests are coming from the other villages, or the ministers or someone, what are the arrangements to be done to them, everything he'll also coordinate with the villages. Like he will also give his ideas, and he gives his work contribution in that. He also has to entertain and feed the guest of the village, so he have to entertain the guest, means someone who is coming from the out. He have to encourage, like entertain them. Teacher, in what way he'll entertain them? Means he'll be arranging programs, villagers maybe dancing or doing some skit activities, like any dialogue telling, singing, like that. He have to arrange the activities so that the guests get entertained, and then they'll be feeding the guest, means arranging like if that is lunch, arranging good food for him, different types of dishes and all. So in place of this, what villagers should do? Teacher, this Patla headman is doing something for the village, like calling some guest and feeding him, entertaining him, so that his village can also be developed by their funds or by any contribution given by them. Then what is the thing which these villagers are doing, like men and women of that village are doing? Teacher, means they will work in this headman. Patla is there, no, in his farm for one day, for the help done by the Patla, means headman who is doing the help of calling the guest, entertaining him and all, no. In place of that, these men and women, they are going to work in his field for one day. Teacher, what happens by this? By helping like that, he can till the land, till in the sense plow more land and grow more crop, which their own families, we have discussed, right. So at that time, their own family used to help him in his field work. Farmer and his other family members will help in plowing, digging, all the agricultural activities, right. So when the family is doing, he can do little bit work, but all these men and women of the villages are helping, the work can be done more quickly, and he can produce, or he can cultivate more crop. So in this way, the people are helping him, and he's able to feed good food to the guest who is coming in to the village. Whenever a headman becomes arrogant and goes against the wish of the people, so now, suppose if this headman Patla who is there, till he is good and helping the people, Punch will not punish or remove him from his position. But he is arrogant. He is not behaving good with the villagers or the all the people, and he is going against, means doing opposite to the wishes, means whatever these villagers are asking him to do. If that is right, he have to do. So if though it is right, he is not doing, or he is not helping the villages, what happens then? This panchayat who is there, he'll that panchayat members will they sit and discuss and remove this Patla from his position, and they'll be giving the another position, like, or else they'll be appointing someone in that position. Or else in some cases, what happens, these villagers who are there, they'll be shifting from that village to another village or another place and settling there. Heyman Ruff also also pointed out that the system was gradually changing even in the 1940s and 50s, as the Gond villages were inhabited by other communities like Marathas and Telugus, and as the modern Panchayati Raj election began to take place. So this Heyman Ruff who is there, he is also pointing that gradually, slowly, this type of system is changing in 1940s and 50s. This forefathers system, like hereditary system, is ending. Now the even in the Gond villages also, who are living like other communities who are inhabiting, means who are staying, like Marathas, Telugu people and all who are staying, they also started changing themselves. They started keeping elections and selecting their representative, that is panchayat raj elections they are keeping, and they are selecting their headman patla and all. Many people started going to police or courts to settle the disputes. So instead of solving the problems in the villages, not getting proper solution at all, they started going to the government servants like this police, courts, and they are telling their problems and getting solved. They are telling their disputes and getting some solutions there, settling their disputes. The headmen lost their position of importance with the election of sarpanch through direct elections. Now what happened? Headman is losing his power. He have some position. Now what happened? They are conducting elections and they are choosing their own member. They are going to police and courts, right? So this headman power is getting little bit reduced. And by what? They are conducting elections, sarpanch elections directly, so that he will be getting the powers. They, all the men and women who are there, they have a right to vote and they are voting. Now this headman position and power is getting reduced. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.